Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change individual WhatsApp chat wallpaper. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp offers its users the ability to customize the backgrounds of chats, either all at once or chat by chat. Whether you want to change your background for a functional purpose or for aesthetic purpose, it can be done in just a few steps. So in this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper of chat individual. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can choose contacts that you want to customize the wallpaper. I will choose this. As you can see, here's the basic default, the default wallpaper. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You'll see there is an option, wallpaper. You can tap on that. You can tap on change and you can choose the photos that you want to customize as the wallpaper. You can choose from WhatsApp. Here, WhatsApp give you some picture that you can choose to set as the wallpaper. Of you want to use your own photos. You can tap on my photos. I will choose from my gallery. As example, I will choose this. Now you can manage, you can settings the photo. Tap on set wallpaper. You can choose here. You can set the wallpaper only for this chat or for all chats in Dart team. Because I want to change for individual chat, I will choose for this chat only. You can tap on OK. You can settings the wallpaper theming here. Now you can go back. And now here's your wallpaper with your friends. So simple, right? And if you want to change wallpaper for all chats, you can settings on here on the upper right corner here, the three that's over here. Tap on settings, tap on chats, and tap on wallpaper. You can change here. So all the chats on your WhatsApp will be the same wallpaper. So that is how to change wallpaper chats on WhatsApp individually. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!